YouTube, been a while. So before I get into this video, follow me on Instagram. As soon as I hit 10,000 followers on IG, Alright, so as I was doing this intro clip, I realized I started stuttering like crazy and I had to redo it. I'm gonna make this quick because it's 2:30 in the morning. I just have a few things I gotta, touch up on. So what I was saying was at 10,000 Instagram followers, I'm gonna be doing a free 3-day bootcamp class, probably be an hour and a half, 2 hours per day, teaching you everything I do when I'm in the markets, answering questions, etc., etc. There's more information, details will be provided on my Instagram as we're getting closer to 10,000 followers. Second thing is, if you want to message me, please do it on Instagram. Don't do it on Discord or Telegram because that is overwhelming right now with messages. And I'm on Instagram all the time anyway, so it's just easier for me to respond. If you're looking for a free trading community, the Discord is open. We have like 3,000 members right now. A lot of things are going on in there, so you gotta join to figure out what's going on. And the last thing is Signal Group. Hopefully it's gonna be live by the time this video is up. If not, early June. Me and Senpai are currently working on rebranding everything, just getting everything in motion. I'm gonna be doing a lot of live trading whenever the Signal Group is ready. I've been doing it with my friend and we've been having a lot of fun. So I was, we can just do it in a private group. That way we can all just interact with each other as we're doing trades and just making money. It's going to be super limited as always. I just can't deal with too many people in the Signal Group. So it's going to be first come, first serve. You can only get in if there's an open spot. I think I touched upon everything. At the end of the day, you guys got a short attention span, so you're probably not watching this no more. So I'll see you when I see you. We live. YouTube has been a while since I made a YouTube video, but I'm back with it, and this one is crazy. This is going to be a 2 to 3, maybe 4-part series on how I'm going to take 5,000 to 100,000. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm going to do it live here with you guys and continue keeping you guys updated on this one trade or however many trades I take to get to 100K. First and foremost, I want to apologize. You might hear my dog in the background. She's chewing, she's loud, she's snorty, she blah, blah, blah. If you have a dog, you might understand what I'm talking about. I couldn't figure out how to get my mic settings to just cover my voice. It's doing the whole room, so that's that. Let me catch my breath. That was a lot. Okay. I haven't done this in a while, so you guys can see I'm a little rusty, but I'm getting back to it. I've been waiting for this buy entry for literally 3 to 4 days now. I've been giving all my friends the signal telling them, get ready to buy this opportunity. And I really think none of them bought it, because if they did, they would be texting me saying, yo, this buy is going crazy. I mean, literally right before the market closed, it went up 600 points. I've been waiting for a trade like this for a long time. If you know me, you know when I do account flips, I always try to get a good buy entry in for a swing to help me build the account up. That way I have, floating equity to help me leverage more of my profits to over leverage. In a sense, really, that's how I do it. So this is how I'm going to do a 5K to 100K, however long it takes me. But for this one entry, I'm going to try to take it up for 3 to 4,000 points. This is going to be the craziest trade I ever fucking took. If this goes my way, this is going to be the craziest trade I ever took. All right. Let me humble down for a second because I'm lit. All right, I'm lit. You might not be able to tell, but I'm lit right now. I've been in my bag lately. All right, so let's get into the trade. Dow Jones has been on a fucking bearish run for a long time now, and if you trade Dow Jones like I do, this thing is dumping over 1,000 points in a day with no news on a random Wednesday. I'm talking about you close your trade and then it just dumps another 1,000 points. You'd be like, damn man, I should have held that trade. But you know what it is. I mean, let's start with the basics. You see what I see. You guys know I'm very simple when it comes to it. I'm a zone-to-zone fib trader. All right, we're in a complete downtrend. We all see that. Let's go to the daily for a second. I did try to take this buy out before I got this entry right here. I actually did get this buy, and then my stop loss got hit. Somewhere over here, this trailing stop got hit. Now, if you guys know, this is my gold zone, right? A lot of people have their gold zone up here. This is my gold zone. When I see this, I know we about to go crazy. I mean, we're going crazy. All right, this is the reason why I'm gonna take it all the way back up. If the market, you guys don't understand, this thing is gonna go crazy. All right, so that's why I gotta do a YouTube series on this. All right, so The daily fib lined it up on that. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 4 hour. I'm trying to keep my composure, guys. I'm trying to. All right. So where are we back at? We back at the golden zone. Back at the golden zone. I'm talking about everything is lining up for me to take this thing all the way back to the moon. I'm excited. I'm really hoping this plays out for me. Now, it is Saturday, the 21st of May. So when the market opens, I am assuming that it is going to come down to try to, kind of just retest this area. If it does, I recommend all of you find your entry and get in. All right, because I really believe this is the point where it's going to go back up to at least 33. And there's money to go get up all the way up there. So if you're watching this and you want a free signal, I'm recommending that you buy this thing at least at like 3,900. Or just get in right now. If you have the account size that you can take this thing up, do whatever you want to do. But this is why I'm getting back to doing signals, because I just love giving people my trading ideas. I know when it goes, but I'm trying to get back into the industry. So here's a free signal for you guys if you're watching this. 3,900 area. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you guys can keep up with this trade. Hit the like button so I can keep on posting what I think. Alright. Cool. What was I about to do? Okay, so the reason why I took this buy entry was because, let me delete that, I didn't mean to do that. It's because I'm on the 2 hour right now. This was the last bottom. This was the last top. Boom, baby, where we at? Tell me where we at. We back at the golden zone. I'm talking about the gold zone. Alright. But the reason why it wasn't valid is because it didn't break my 50 line. I needed to break the 50 line, right? And I was really hoping that it was, because there's a gap right here that hasn't been filled yet. But I'm not mad at it. So my stop loss got hit somewhere like right here. This is that random Wednesday that I was talking about. This is that random Wednesday I was talking about. Oh, look at that. That even lined it up too. I'm talking about we in the money, baby. So if you're watching this, please get in. Just get in. Just get in. Please make some money with me. I just want to see you guys eat too. So there we go. We're in the golden zone. That's lining up. So this is where I'm going to either go here. I'm going to watch out price acts. Let's see what this fib is. And that's where my take profit zone is also. So I'm going to say 3,000 points. Let me grab my calculator real quick. 3,000 times 25. 75K. Ooh. Hold on. Shit. Hold on. Let me think this real quick. If I take it up, just say 40. Let's just say 40. 44 times 25. That's 110. I'm gonna close right here though. If the market gives me that. Let me see what this looks like on the daily. So I have no idea how long this is gonna take me. As you guys know, I'm doing a YouTube series. 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, whatever, however long it takes me, right? Obviously, this trade might not work out in my favor, but it might hit my trailing stop eventually somewhere in here, because I'm not trying to get nothing back. But I'm gonna try to keep my composure and hold this thing as long as I possibly can for you guys, and just do a great video over it. I mean, 5K to 100K, that's gonna be my best. As of right now, my best is 1K to like 60. If you want to go check that out, it's going to be on my Instagram. I made a little snippet. It's a 2-part series. Part 1, part 2, whatever you guys get. So if you're not following me yet, do that. I'm not sure if you guys watched the intro video, but at 10K on Instagram, I'm going to be doing a free. Oh, let me run that back real quick. As soon as I hit 10K on Instagram, I'm going to be doing a free 3-day bootcamp class for anyone that wants to join. It's going to be free. Probably make it limited to 200 to 300 people. It's going to be free. You guys can ask me questions if you want. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Right now, my Discord DMs is going crazy. The best way to get in touch with me is Instagram. It's always been the best way. It's always going to be the best way. But by the time you guys watch this, the Signal group is going to be back up. The Discord is still live. Got active traders in there. And I'm going to be giving some free things out on my Instagram, so that's the best way to get in touch with me. But I'm just now getting back into the rhythm of everything, so you guys got to give me a little bit of time to adjust. And yeah, this is part 1. I'll keep you guys updated with everything. Hopefully this goes out exactly the way I think. I need it to break. Okay, let me get into this a little more. This fib is kind of crazy. Let me just stick with this fib. I need it to break. Let me clean up this mess real quick. I hate looking at all this stuff. Obviously, we're gonna break this. There's obvious money up here. 1, 2, 3 touches. We're gonna break that for sure. We're gonna see a little bit of corrections when we come up to 32,600. But as soon as we break 30, when we feel that gap in, after we see a little more correction, bro, we're good. I'm good. I needed to break this point. Correct, and then we'll see what happens. But I really don't think price is ever gonna come back to my entry, not anytime soon. So I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated. I have no idea. I can't predict the market. I can only trade what I see. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. But if it goes back to 3,900, you guys better get in and make some free money with me, because this thing is guaranteed going back up to the moon. All right, I'll get you guys in the next one.